In English, you ask, do you want coffee? But in spoken Arabic, native speakers simply say, بدك قهوة. So where did do disappear? Let's get started. Let's compare these examples. They mean exactly the same thing, but English uses the word do, spoken Arabic doesn't. So native speakers simply say, بدك قهوة? In English, do you want coffee? بتحكي عربي? Do you speak Arabic? بتعرفه? Do you know him? بتسكن هون? Do you live here? Look carefully at this example. The pattern is always the same. Every English question begins with do, but in spoken Arabic, every question begins directly with the verb. No extra word. Just start with the verb and continue with the rest of the sentence. So here the rule. Remember this simple formula. In English, many questions follow this pattern. Do plus subject plus verb. In spoken Arabic, you don't need do. Just start with the verb and the question is complete. That's why spoken Arabic is often shorter and simpler. Now let's avoid two common mistakes. These are the two mistakes almost every beginner makes. First, they try to find an Arabic word that means do. Second, they translate English word by word. Instead, think in spoken Arabic, forget about do, start with the verb, and you will sound much more natural.